Well, firstly, I want to grab hold of Farah and give her a big hug. I've known her since we were tiny kids, since we were in junior KG upwards. We have a whole lifetime that we've spent together. She is the most incredible, spirited, fun, dynamic, enterprising, passionate woman that this country has. She has gone from strength to strength in every single avatar that she's ever taken on, as a loyal friend, as a great mother, as a fantastic daughter, as an enterprising businesswoman, an incredibly creative, talented soul, which is reflected in her book, which is A Jeweled Life. So I think it's a great tribute to her to have such an exquisite book published to tell her journey so beautifully.
Okay, ma'am, this book is all about the jewelry design. So in real life, how addicted are you to the jewelry?
Well, right now I'm wearing a Farah Khan creation, as you can see. One earring is this way and one earring is that way. My engagement ring is made by Farah Khan. My good luck ring is also made by Farah Khan. So clearly I'm a Farah Khan jewelry fanatic, and I respect her work and I adorn myself with her beautiful creations. The book is not just about jewelry. I think it's a tribute to her life, it's a tribute to her creativity, and I think it's a very respectful way to summarize her entire life.
Okay, ma'am, you have got an immense number of love from our Bollywood.
No, talk to me. I'm sweaty.
Okay, bye.
What do you want me to do? Well, ma'am is gone, so I can't help that. All right, let's go. That's hot.
Okay, sir. So, firstly, like to know that what would you like to say about Farah Khan is launching the book today? So, what would you like?
I want to see what has she written. I'm curious because she's rather young for it. Normally, people write a biography after they've kind of, like her father just released a biography, autobiography. So I'm very curious what she has to say. But knowing the kind of person she is, I think it's going to be full of humor, and it's going to be one interesting read. So.
Okay. Also, besides this, IPL is going on, and how much excited are you for IPL?
Very excited. Mumbai is doing well. I'm very excited, Mumbai boy, so I'm very happy about it. And it's always great. And in fact, the World Cup is coming after that, so that's even more exciting. So.
And who do you support?
In
Which team?
World Cup,
No, in IPL.
I have two favorite. One is KKR, Shah Rukh, sorry, and second is Mumbai, of course. This is where we live. So yeah, these two are my favorite teams.
Who do you think you will win?
Who will win? It'll be a KKR Mumbai finals. That's gonna be fun. I also like CSK. I think Dhoni is great. So.
Rolling? Okay. Hi, Anu sir.
Hi.
Firstly, जानना चाहेंगे कितने excited हैं आज की शाम के लिए? Farah Khan Ali is launching her own book. How excited are you to grab one of the
I'm very, very happy to be here with my wife Anju. And Farah, we know her for ages. She's launching a book, and I think it's based on jewelry. It's huge because she has traveled a lot. She's done a lot in her life in terms of creativity. And when she rang us up and said, I'm actually launching a book, but it's going to be a coffee table evening. And it's got a lot of inputs about jewelry. I was intrigued. You know, we keep on reading books about, hearing people writing about autobiographies, about their lives. But this is actually jewelry, which is exciting.
It's going to be enjoyable. Have you ever thought of, writing your own biography, humorous and lots of fun? Such a long 10 minutes countdown begins. And you've had your experiences.
I honestly don't see myself writing any autobiography because my life is just starting is the right word. Actually, many people say, Anuji, aapne bahut kuch kar liya hai. For me, I think my life is about to start again with the amount of films I'm doing right again. And there are people who keep on writing things about me. Oh, likhe. I'm not the one to write about my autobiography. I prefer let my daughters know everything, let my wife know everything, but let the world keep on thinking anything. There's no point in me suddenly writing about myself. I don't know.
But do you not think that if you write about yourself, it will give clarity and stop all the rumors that that stop
about what? About what?
And people hating
about what?
But
about what? Listen, I'm here for Farah.
Yeah.
And can I tell you something?
Yeah.
I don't want to write any autobiography, and I love you guys. Thank you.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. We'll do visuals first and then we'll do a bite also, small bite. Chalo. Come.
How are you all?
Good, how are you, sir?
Not bad.
Chalo. Hey, jaldi yaar, Adil.
A lot of people.
Yeah, quite a few.
Yeah? Are we late?
About to start. No, not really. Okay, chalo, rolling hai? Rolling. Okay, Farleen, firstly, great to see you. Kitne excited hai aaj ki shaam ke liye, she's launching her book, Farah Khan Ali, and how excited are you to grab one of the copies?
Very, very excited. It's kind of difficult to believe that 25 years of a career have gone by. We've all grown up together, and it just seems like yesterday that we were fooling around and playing, and now 25 years of a career has gone by, and we're just so happy for her, proud of her, and she's always been a go-getter. Whenever she's, how are you, Anu? Yeah, sorry. She's always been a go-getter. Whenever she's envisioned something for herself in life, she's always gone for it, done it, and she's done well for herself. She's followed her passions, her dreams. So we're just happy, proud of her, and want the best for her. And what more can I say?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Besides this, IPL is start to run. How much do you love watching IPL?
This year, I've not really been watching much, to be honest. I just have been busy with my kids, to be honest.
Okay.
I've been busy with my children. I haven't really been watching much. And they've not really been into IPL as yet. Well, they're too young.
I think it's been some time since we saw you
Yes.
on the big screen. Are there any plans of making a comeback?
In different capacities, yes, I want to act, but selectively.
I want to produce, direct. We're planning on that, so I'll make formal announcements soon.
Right. And how do you react, when your pics are out there and you get all the kind of reactions that how he has changed, how much he has changed?
I'm being bashed unnecessarily. I think they need to get over these damn things. But I really don't care. I am what I am. I can see myself in the mirror, so whatever is deserved, what's not is not. I just laugh it off. I really don't read much about myself anymore now.
That's the way it should be. Amazing.
Okay. So firstly, Farah Khan is launching her book. So
Yes.
how much excited are you to grab one book?
Oh, she's an absolute rock star, yeah. She comes from an illustrious background. She comes from the home of such incredible stories. So imagine when you are grown around the realm of stories. I mean, then it's just pleasure and joy to write them and to be able to release your memoir. And it's a coffee table book, so it's actually snippets. You can just read, go, enjoy, feel the moment. So I guess it's fun.
And also, you know, the book is about jewelry. So how much are you fond of jewelry?
I'm a very simplistic person when it comes to jewelry. I don't like very large jewelry or over-the-top jewelry, but I follow Farah on Instagram and she just makes me so envious. I mean, she's creating like dragons and she's creating like some really like reptile jewelry with like semi-precious stones and precious stones, and I think it's like another level of creativity. And wow, I've worn her jewelry for Filmfare and it just makes you feel like so regal and royal. I love it.
Okay, also Kubra, we find you always so much energetic,
Yeah.
wherever we find
Thank you.
So what's the secret of this energy?
I sleep well. I sleep a lot. It's extremely important. I need to sleep.
When I was
No, I just sleep. I sleep. Like there was a time when I worked a lot and I came back and I slept for like 14 hours. I almost felt like a bear or something, but I slept. So I think sleep is very important.
Okay, Kubra, also I would like to know from you, the IPL chal raha hai, so are you fond of IPL and how much do you
But to
follow
my
IPL?
father, she's always been.
I
his
think
eldest
I
son.
will get
And
like incriminated for saying this, but I don't like cricket, guys.
as she's defined herself.
But RCB is performing badly. I don't know what to say about IPL, honestly. I think it's away at a time of the year that everybody gets together. It's like every year there's like a brand new season, and there are new players and there's something new happening. And I guess sports just brings people in together. So it's a cool little thing, hey, come, let's hang out, let's watch a game of IPL and chill. So that's awesome. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I can't lie about
She's also
Not me, I asked you something.
There was a bigger alpha male in the crowd. There was an alpha female, and that was my sister Farah. And Farah looked at him and says, "What's your problem?" And of course, that gentleman was absolutely uncouth. Didn't give a damn about what he said, and egged her on. And Farah just put her seatbelt on and said, "Paulami, put your seatbelt on. We're going to teach these guys a lesson." Little did he know who he was picking.
And I want to thank all my friends. It's very important because but more importantly, I would like someone else, someone very special who's in the audience, who's here today, who's a friend, to come and tell me, to come and chat with me about it. Let Zai introduce you.
So yes, this lady is very cool, and you get to know a cool person when she says, "Don't give a very big introduction about me," and that's just really cool. That's real. So Shonali, I lied. You have to give an introduction about Shonali because she's a stellar person. Thank you for being here. So Shonali Kul Ashraf has worked with variously as a journalist and communications consultant over the length of a career spanning 2 decades. She's the author of the best-selling book, Bewildered Mother, and writes for a host of publications such as Mystery Punch, Khan Atlas Travelers, where she's a regular
फाइट के लिए थोड़ा आगे चलो सबको मिले
She is also part of the core team that launched April Sun, curated by Golka.
चलो रोलिंग है ओके
The next book published
Hi there. Pleasure.
फर्स्टली आपसे जानना चाहूँगा आपके अटैक के बारे में आज बताएंगे कुछ बिकॉज़ यू लुकिंग वेरी cool and you're looking very funky. Can you tell us something about
Nothing. Hat, a friend of mine's given me the cap.
You're the woman, you're everything.
Jacket and pants are made by someone who's got a lovely shop in Lal Bagh. I call him Dugly. He's made my Parsi Dugly. They had gone for a wedding. So he made this for me, Satya. And that's it. And my shirts got from, I think, Lokhandwala or somewhere.
Farah Khan Ali is launching her own book tonight, and how excited are you for it? How excited are you to grab one of the copies?
She's an artist. She's amazing.
when you see her hands, you can make out that she is from fine arts. लंबे हाथ होते बोलते हैं ना fine arts. और she's from a family of artists. Too much. I think Farah is there. Right now I'm going to go and see the book, see what she's written. She's a great designer and she's a great friend.
Jackie, there's a lot of things happening in your career, in Tiger's career. आपकी भी रॉ अभी जो काफी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है ऑडियंस से. भारत आ रही है. कितना is it overwhelming? So many things happening, or is it good that what is happening?
लाइफ है बड़ू, काम आते रहता है जाते रहता है, करते रहने का, आगे चलते रहने का. समझा ना बड़ू? आएगा आते रहेगा, लेने का, मजा लेने का, दूसरा दिन का वेट करने का. आया, आँख खुल गया, हाथ पैर नहीं दुख रहे, फिर निकल लेने का.
लेकिन आपको हमेशा एनर्जेटिक देखते हैं, हमेशा एकदम खुले मिजाज में देखते हैं. क्या इंस्पायर करता है आपको इतना?
जिंदगी इंस्पायर करता है, लोग इंस्पायर करते हैं. आजू बाजू देखता हूँ इतने सारे बेचारे गम है कि अपना गम कुछ भी बहुत कम है भाई. तो मजे ले लेने का. जब तक हाथ पैर चल रहा है मजे ले बोल रहा हूँ, फिर बोलेगा. अभी वक्त नहीं मिल रहा, फुर्सत नहीं मिल रही मेरी जान, मगर जरूर देखूंगा. कैसा मेरा डांस? हेलो बाबा, मेरी जान, मेरा जान. कैसा है? जरूर मैं आ रहा हूँ. टाइम वक्त नहीं मिल रहा है मेरा जान IPL फॉलो करने, मगर फाइनल्स देखूंगा. जब तक के खेल रहे लास्ट का देखूंगा. सबको कर रहा है, सब अपने ही है यार. ऐसा कोई स्पेशल मेरा कभी लाइफ में नहीं है यार. जो अच्छा खेलेगा वो जीतेगा. बाकी क्या बोलूँगा, नहीं है मेरा कोई फेवरेट नहीं. सब फेवरेट और कोई नहीं. बहुत अच्छा लगा. मेरा बच्चे की बात मैं कैसे करूँ बाबा. अच्छा लगा, बहुत बच्चा है मेरा. मैं कैसे बोलूँगी अपने बच्चे के बगैर, मगर मुझे अच्छा लगा. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग को भी अच्छा लगे, सब बच्चों को पसंद आए. उसका मेहनत है, वो किया है.
आपका जो ये अलग अंदाज है, आपका एक अलग स्टाइल है, उसके बारे में लोग आपको काफ़ी हमेशा कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, काफ़ी सारा प्यार देते हैं. आप बोलते हैं कि जैकी तारा जैसा कोई है नहीं. हाउ डू यू फील व्हेन यू गेट सच कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स?
अच्छा, एनर्जी, फुल एनर्जी है, फुल पावर है, फुल पावर 24 आवर लेते रहने का, खींचते रहने का. मैग्नेट है ना, एक आप में एक मैग्नेट है. आप में आपको टच किया, भाई को टच किया, इनको किया, ये सब ले रहा हूँ भाई और दे रहा हूँ. तो रेसिप्रोकल चलते रहना चाहिए. जितना ले सकता है, ऐसा नहीं हो कि फुल हो जाए. भारत की तैयारियाँ सलमान बाबा है, वो करेगा. खूबसूरत, उसको अक्ल है, और समझदार एक्टर है. आई थिंक ही विल रॉक. मैं इमोशनल एंगल हूँ, मैं कैमियो कर रहा हूँ और आई एम प्लेइंग अ इमोशनल रोल विद हिम. सो आई थिंक लेट्स सी. एंजॉय दैट.
I always wanted to do a book because I always had people who would ask me what inspires you. And to tell them my words was very difficult. So I decided to do something visual because that's the way I think. When I look at the world, I essentially moisture, put down my thoughts, and talk about the way without my regular visionary. So I remember planning cherry trees, apple trees, picking strawberry bushes, chasing butterflies, the luscious gardens, and so nature became my source of inspiration. Brazil to me, because I have a very dear friend in the audience called Maria here, who's from Brazil, and she's also a nature buff, so we decided to go explore the Amazon. And boy, what an experience it was. Because I have to tell you this, Maria and I were actually brave enough to jump into the river neck where there were anacondas, piranhas, diamonds, and a lot more. And when they asked me why did I do that, I was afraid to explore. So that's how I got into lifestyle, into photography, getting into photography, into cameras, scarves. changed me because but when you really go and look back at the last 25 years of your life, or the last couple of years of your life, you realize that there's so much that you've actually been through, and there's so much that you've actually reflect on. So it actually gave me an insight on who I am, who I want to become, where I want to go next. So I would say yes, that was the challenge.
So the thing that I've realized about you is that every few years you learn to and now you can forget how to take care of it. One realizes that you're always up to something new. And I think is that enterprise also comes with risk. And risk also comes with fear of failure. So my question to you then is that what do you think that you keep trying and enjoying it?
I believe in the power of the universe and spirituality, not in the sense of gurus or people. They're having a direct connection just by visualizing it. And so sometimes, yes, the going has been tough, and I'm not how am I going to move forward? I just know I'm going to. And somehow, miraculously, it just happens because when I think of doing something, even this book, I didn't know that it would actually happen and it would, get these great reviews. But somehow, it's just happened. Can I request the audience in the back to be a little silent just for 5 minutes because that's how long Shivani and I will talk. So to me, manifestation and spirituality is a very important part of me, and that's why whenever something is going wrong in my life, I just see that why is it going wrong? I think it's going to go right. And I look at all the good things because I believe all our lives are predestined. You can't change the way your life is written, but you can change the way you react to the situation. So if something bad happens to you, if you react good to it, you have a better life. But if something bad happens to you, if you react badly to it, you have a worse life. So that's what I look at. Big cheesy smile. So I told my photographer, I said, I don't know who he is, but he looks like someone from the Taj. Let's move quickly because I don't want him to catch us and say, why are you taking the picture? Madhuji, I was a friend, I really want to take a picture with me. But so we've had some amazing memories. But before I end this conversation with Shivani right now, I just want to thank all the photographers who traveled with me and my team who traveled with me to various places. Thank you, Tina. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, Studio. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you, Tulsi. Thank you.
Today is a very auspicious day. It is not only the launch of my sister's coffee table called Beauty Life, and it's one of the most amazing books, but it is my parents' anniversary. Dean, all to come up on stage, say a few words about your sister, and spill the beans, man, it's fine. It's okay. But first I would like to invite my father, Mr. Sanjay Khan, and my mother, Mrs. Zareen Khan. Thank you. Uncle, I would also request you to say a few words, so please come up on stage, we'd really like it.
Thank you very much. It's great being here with everyone of the audience who's grateful. I have not had a chance to see it, but I'm really looking forward to it. So congratulations, Farah, and all the very best
नहीं इधर ही थोड़ा बस चलो रोलिंग है। ओके मधुर सर फर्स्टली जानना चाहेंगे कितनी एक्साइटेड आज की शाम के लिए फराह का?
मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ फराह के लिए, बहुत ही आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर फराह एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर दिस बुक एंड माय बेस्ट विशेस टू द एंटायर टीम एंड द ऑथर. आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. And Farah has excelled in the world of the way she is designing things. I'm very happy for her and my best wishes to the entire team. देखिए मैंने पहले भी कहा है, मैं अभी बताऊंगा फिल्मों के बारे में. चांदनी बार से हिंदू सरकार की जर्नी बड़ी अच्छी रही है. मैंने ऑलरेडी कहा कि मैं एक फिल्म बना रहा हूँ जिसपे रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ जिसका नाम है इंस्पेक्टर गालिब. उसको भी लेके काफ़ी चर्चे है. तो आई एम जस्ट वर्किंग ऑन द फिल्म दैट्स द बैकड्रॉप ऑफ सैंड माइंस, सैंड माफिया पे एक्चुअली देखने जाओ तो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. तो मैंने रिसर्च कर रहा था पिछले 6-8 महीने से. मैं रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ, कोई भी रिसर्च की बिना फिल्म खत्म नहीं करता मैं. 1-2 और भी सब्जेक्ट है, सीरीज़ के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ मैं, वेब सीरीज़ के लिए. तो आई वॉज क्वाइट बिजी विद ऑल दिस थिंग. तो मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, ऐसे नहीं कर रहा बोल के. टाइम लगता है, अच्छी चीज़ें और रिसर्च चीज़ें से वो मेरी जिस तरह का सिनेमा होता है तो इट टेक्स टाइम. तो दैट्स द रीज़न आई वाज वर्किंग ऑन इट एंड आई एम हैप्पी इट्स नाउ ऑन द fag end of completing and surely very soon the announcement will be there.
Okay, sir.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं. वो देखिए टाइटल है, मेरा प्रोडक्शन हाउस है, वो देर कीप रजिस्टरिंग टाइटल्स इस तरह से. तो ऐसे बहुत ऐसे टाइटल्स है, अवार्ड्स है, बॉलीवुड वाइफ्स है, अलग अलग टाइटल्स है हमारे पास है. तो ऐसा वी कीप रजिस्टरिंग टाइटल बट दैट डजंट मीन वी आर मेकिंग अ फिल्म राइट नाउ, बट टाइटल वी जस्ट रजिस्टर.
ओके सर, जैसे कि आपने अवार्ड की बात की है, दीनानाथ मंगेशकर अवार्ड भी मिलने वाला है आपको कंट्रीब्यूशन टू इंडियन सिनेमा के लिए, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बहुत अच्छा, मेरे ख्याल से बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है ये. जब दीनानाथ मंगेशकर अवार्ड का जब घोषणा हुई है और लता दीदी का फ़ोन आया मुझे, मैं लता दीदी मेरे लाइफ में एक ऐसी जर्नी है कि मैं इतने सालों से लता दीदी को जानता हूँ. मेरी पिक्चर में 3 गाना गा चुकी है अब तक वो. मैं हर 15-20 दिन में लता दीदी को वैसे ही फ़ोन करता हूँ, उनसे बातचीत करता हूँ, मैं हमेशा उनसे इंटरेक्ट करता हूँ. जब भी मैं दुखी होता हूँ, खुश होता हूँ, लता दीदी को फ़ोन करता. चाहे मैं अमेरिका में हूँ, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हूँ, दुबई में हूँ, लंदन में हूँ और या मुंबई में हूँ. और दीदी ने जब मुझे कहा कि अवार्ड हम आपको दे रहे तो मुझे बहुत बड़ा लगा. मेरे ख्याल से मेरे लिए ये पद्मश्री के बाद बहुत बड़ा अवार्ड है. ये बहुत बड़ा अवार्ड है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि इतना पूरा इंस्टीट्यूशन का अवार्ड है. और लता दीदी का फ़ोन आया तो मैं एकदम, मेरे आँख में आंसू आ गए कि इतना ऐसा सच बिग अचीवमेंट कि इतने बड़े लोगों को अवार्ड दिया गया है. बहुत अच्छे फिल्म मेकर्स, बहुत अच्छे एक्टर्स, बहुत अच्छे अलग अलग अचीवमेंट्स. भीमसेन जोशी जी को लेकर कपिल देव से लेकर शिवाजी गणेशन तक को अवार्ड दिया गया. वो अवार्ड मुझे दिया जा रहा है 24 तारीख को. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट एंड आई कांट हाइड माई एक्साइटमेंट. इट्स रियली ग्रेट मोमेंट फॉर मी.
एक सवाल